Hi everyone, so I've got a few clips to share with you from the Nottingham Car Show. I hope you do enjoy. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new here.
Me and Jake can play football all the time. I don't know where it was. I think you're in July.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
That caravan.
No, it's just a van.
It's a British caravan that's put by.
Switch wipers on that. Pull that lever there. Don't know what overdrive, must be choke. And it switches there for lights, not blower, for your heater. Switch. Hell, like your next car. I mean, you would be able to get that parked at work, no problem.
Yes, I would. I don't still with a canter, to be honest.
Where was that? Where was that?
All cars here, mate. This is one of my favourites. No, it's like a rip-off Fiat 500. The Starver. It is, isn't it?
Yeah. I've gone through every bit of paperwork. We'll go through all the paperwork.
It's Gordini. It's Gordini.
Tell me about the wheels then. These are like proper OZs, man.
So the OZs were, again, I got these wheels from someone, and he actually wanted to sell them because he had them under his new light.
Yeah. 4x100 by any chance?
No, it was an old Hyundai, which is but he wanted to sell them, and I had to drive a few miles for him to get them, but if I tell you the price, and they'll be the same. I paid around.
Yeah, because I looked at yeah, just because I was dead nervous. One half
It's the Kensington, right? So how gorgeous were those guys? I really like that Fiat 500. That really was a mint conditioned Fiat. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.